Welcome to another exciting time. We are doing another garden update today. We are going to be harvesting my potatoes. Remember, this is my very first time planting potatoes, so keep your fingers crossed and hope we have a good harvest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Any bag of your choice. I'm just using a clear garbage bag, and I'm going to pour the soil in each of the bin into here, and then we'll start the harvest. Okay, I'm going to start my first pot close to me here. And that is all for this episode in Bloom's Garden. We have harvested our Russet potatoes. So just take note when you're buying your seedlings to see if it says baby potatoes or the regular sized ones. These ones are fantastic for smashed potatoes. I have a recipe on my channel where I made smashed potatoes with lamb chops. You can do well to check it out. Overall, I used one bag for the 3 pots and I was able to get this. And like you see, like you saw in the video, the potatoes were ready to be harvested. The stems were all getting dried, so if you just leave it there, it's going to start getting rotten. And you do not need space. For those of you saying I would love to garden but I don't have space, these ones were grown in a pot, so you can get planting, get your seedlings from the store, and in no time you'll be harvesting as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time when I bring you another exciting video, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.